In this video, I'm going to show you how to open piano roll in Cakewalk. Now, there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. The first thing you have to do, of course, is add an instrument or MIDI track. So I'm going to go and add it over here. I'm going to switch to instrument, and I'm just going to go and use this synth over here. Now, you can use any instrument you want, and I'm going to click on Create. You could click on Open Virtual Controller, which when you check this on, and if you click on Create button, it's going to open this virtual controller over here. Okay, so automatically you have your keyboard and your piano roll in here just like this, and you can play it, or you could use the buttons on your keyboard, which are indicated on here on the keyboard, of course, to basically play it. Okay, that's the first way to open your piano roll. Now the second one is going to be to go to the top where it says view, and then you can click on piano roll view, and that's going to open up this piano roll down here as well. Okay, but there's also more ways. If you basically don't see it, but you can see it says piano roll, you can click on it and then press the D button on your keyboard to hide it or show it. What you could also do is simply click on this button over here to open this piano roll, or you could just click twice on this one over here to open this piano roll over here. You can then just double click in here and it's going to open this piano roll down here at the bottom. Now you also have one more option, which is if you have MIDI, you can just double click on it and it's going to open the piano roll as well. Okay, so if I actually were to, for example, go here, if I enable this and record a simple MIDI for you, just like this, there we go. We're gonna say that's it. It's actually playing in the background as well. There we go. I'm gonna mute this. You can see, there we go. Here's MIDI. You can just double click on that, and there we go. It's gonna open up MIDI as well, just like that. You can see the piano roll down here, and of course you can use it to edit whatever you want. So those are the most common ways to open piano roll. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.